All right. Welcome, all you beautiful breathing people, to another guided breathwork session. In today's journey, we're going to be doing 3 rounds of deep breathing. We'll practice 2 inhales, 1 relaxed exhale, in and out of the mouth. And then double speed breathing, breathing deeply and fully. Beautiful. And after each round, we'll hold our breath after the exhale, coming into a state of stillness and peace. So find your way to a comfortable position. Gentle smile. Round number 1 in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. 1 breath into the belly, then your heart center with a relaxed exhale. Just place your full awareness on the breath. Beautiful. And we'll move on to double speed breathing. In 3, 2, 1. All right, 3 more breaths. 2. Last one, as big as you can, and hold your breath at the top. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, squeeze your abdominals. Relax everything. Now exhale with the sigh. Holding your breath at the bottom. Coming into this moment. No more physical body. Just pure awareness. Beautiful. Let's take an inhale through the nose. Hold your breath at the top and just feel into the silence. And now exhale with a sigh. Yeah. Let's stay present and let's breathe in the good. Breathe out the bad in this round. We'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, beautiful work, my friends. Let's continue to feel good. We're gonna move on, finish the round with double speed breathing in 3, 2, 1. Three more big breaths. 2. Last one, as big as you can. Invite in this good energy and hold. Squeeze. Allow this energy to rise. Relax everything and exhale with a sigh. And hold in your breath at the bottom. Relax in your body, just staying in the stillness. Beautiful. Let's inhale fully. Hold your breath at the top. Squeeze. Allow this energy to rise. Relax everything and exhale with a sigh. Yeah. One more round of this journey. Stay present with each breath. Starting with double speed breathing in 3, 2, 1. one. Let's slow the breath down. Yeah. Inviting in a smile with these last few exhales. Relaxing the body. Alright, last one. Fully in. As big as you can. Hold on to this energy and fill your body with gratitude. And now exhale with a sigh. Holding your breath. Continuing to just bathe in this sense of gratitude. Giving thanks. All right, now let's take a big inhale, filling yourself with this energy, with this gratitude. Hold. And now exhale with a sigh. Yes, relax. Allow your breathing to return to its normal rhythm. Nice and slow in and out of the nose. Just staying in this elevated state. And bringing all these good vibes, this good positive energy with you throughout the day. Finding some time for laughter. Much love to all of you. Remember to breathe and remember to laugh. Peace.